However, Snow White's blissful life took a turn when her wicked stepmother, the Queen, grew envious of her beauty and charm. Consumed by her jealousy, the Queen devised a treacherous plan to eliminate Snow White and become the fairest in the land once more.
We can search through YouTube. Search for an animation keyword about Disney. The number of plays of this video. It has 210,000 views on YouTube. And this anim video it plays. The video has more than 8.4 million views. You can see these anim videos about Disney. The number of plays it gets is pretty amazing with search volume. And if you look at this video, it's over 7.1 million. So its channel on YouTube is solely advertising revenue. It's already $76,000. That's $910,000 a year in AD revenue. It is streamed more than 690,000 times a day, even 700,000 views, even up to 1 million views. It can add more than 10,000 followers in a day. At its peak, it earned more than $5,000 in advertising revenue. I have an idea for you today. Share similar anim videos for such a brand. Can we make a similar AI animation to get YouTube views? You get advertising revenue, but we don't know how to write. How to do that without any creative foundation? To make some anim stories. It doesn't have to be a Disney story. You can get advertising revenue through AI animation. Today I am sharing to websites. You can go through them. You can create your own anim video. If you are interested in today's topic, just come with me. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss my latest share. The first step is to go to the front page of the channel. Here is a link to our AI toolbox. Click to open. Open to see. This is Po.com. This is the Po AI integrated tool website. This toolbox, it has a comprehensive website inside. When you come in, we can register an account first. After registering the account, he uses them all for free. We need to make up this story about Snow White. So here select all tools on the left side of the column. You can see there's a lot of tools here. We need to write an anim story script. I searched for stories in the search bar. The following robots are all good for writing stories. I'm going to test this storyteller now. Use this robot to help me write a story. You can also test multiple robots. Let's say you test multiple robots. Find his writing style is perfect for you. Then you can, with this robot, it can help you write more about a subject in the future. You can see that he quickly wrote a very complete, a short story. We can replicate the story. You can see the content of these stories above is not very complete a short story, so it can help us edit a very good plot. This content can help us create images. Make a video. Now we come to step 2. Just copy and paste that and create our image. We can copy this content first. Use a notepad to write this down. Then we go back to the back page of the site. You can see here by clicking on the search box, there's a search icon. You can see that this is the robot that the AI created the picture. So we choose this button. You can see a lot of robots down there. It's all for creating pictures. It just depends on the content of your text. He can create an AI picture. And this style is Disney style. Then choose this style. And then we just need to take this text that we just did. Let's try it. For the first paragraph, paste it here. Give him instructions to see what he can create. You can already see here that he created a picture of such a shape. If you're not happy with this picture, we can go ahead and re-instruct him to create a new piece of new pattern. These patterns, if you are happy with the result of this picture, we can download it through here. If you're still not satisfied, we continue to regenerate more images. Do you think this picture effect is good? Then we can download it for your later work. So let me move on to the second sentence. All these sentences below the third sentence generate all the pictures I need. If I am not satisfied with the picture, I will create more pictures. This way you can generate a lot of image content. I've generated some images before. Do all the pictures generated by the video. After generating, we found that his picture is a square picture. So I use another software. Can be expanded to 16:9 format size. This is where we use the software. The website is Canva, and we chose video, and then you see it's in 1920 to 1080 format. Like we chose this template. We can just take all these pictures of us, upload all. For example, after I uploaded this image, I want to drag it to the maximum, put in the middle. To follow, we click on this image. Click on the top left corner to edit the image, and you can see there's a function here to extend this image. Let's click extend. Then it was discovered that the entire image was expanded to a full screen page. Let's click on it. Then you can see to generate the extension we need. You can see the effect of its expansion in an instant, and you can see it on the left. You choose a variety of images to extend out the effect. If you like any picture, we confirm the effect on this picture, and then we can download it. Click on the top right corner to share download. The selection is a picture. We choose to download the image in PNG or JPG. Then we hit download. That's how it works. You can upload all the pictures you just took. All these pictures do an extension. In order to save time, I've got these pictures I've prepared. An extension has been made. The effect of it expanding out is really very good, and you can follow your own needs. Select different image effects. That's where we get to step 3. We come to the AI toolbox. You can see the first website. This is a website that lets you make videos out of pictures. We click open to register an account. After we came in, he's giving you over 150 free points. Now let's click to create the video. All we have to do is drag in the picture we just showed. You can see that after the picture is uploaded, he immediately generates a dynamic effect of the video. You can adjust the parameters on the right any way you want, like moving from side to side, around or around. It's all a choice. And then you can go by its length, longer or shorter. You can also zoom in or out. So these parameters, you can adjust. How about we see how it works? We just need to get this effect right. We need to download it. Click the download button in the upper right corner, and then save this video. Same approach. You can turn all the images into motion pictures. And then step 4, you have to generate all the text content. The pronunciation is also in English. We can come. This is where AI can turn your text content into speech. You don't need to know how to read. You can all go through this website. To turn your text into a sound, we just need to paste this in here, and then we can listen to their pronunciation.
Or you put on a frown, make absolutely.
Allow the world to live. Logic will get you from A to B.
What worries you, master?
Before you put on a.
Life without love is like a
Love all, trust a few, do wrong.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Choose the sound that sounds the best. Then we just need to click Generate Voice, and he offers the site for free. There is a limit to the number of characters you can use for free. No more than 2,500 characters at a time, so you have to put this into your own text content. Control either 2 or multiple generation. Then we just need to take the generated speech. Download here. We click to download this voice. And then the final step. That is, we need to download a free software called CapCut. This free editing software. And then we upload all the material here. This software, we can take this material, put it in orbit one by one. Let's put this voice in first. And then we turn that speech into text. Click on this text, then choose to automatically convert speech into subtitles. And then we just have to drag the video in. Drag to the second track, in which case you drag him to adjust. This video can be a lot easier. And then we put the second one in. The third and the fourth, you can adjust his position at will. And you can also put his video length. Adjust longer. Click on the top right corner to adjust its speed. You can choose up and down buttons. And you can see that the length of this video gets shorter and longer. What good does that do? You can adapt it to his text, his story, so we can slow it down. Or you could have another way. It's just a direct copy of this video. Let's paste another one. That way his videos will get longer. And then we can take this video, and then you can keep copying. So that way you can adjust the length. And we can also give this text content to edit its text. Here we can choose many of these text fonts than in the font. You can follow the content of your story, make adjustments and choices. Then we will follow the text you have chosen. You look like it has a very different effect. Just put all these videos behind you. Put it all in. We can see the effect of his entire video.
However, Snow White's blissful life took a turn when her wicked stepmother, the Queen, grew envious of her beauty and charm. Consumed by her jealousy, the Queen devised a treacherous plan to eliminate Snow White and become the fairest in the land once more. In this anime adaptation of Disney's Snow White,
when your video is ready, you can also export from the top right corner. Entire video export. And you can choose from a variety of high definition, or you can go to 4K. And then all we have to do is export this video. You can upload it on YouTube. Or maybe you want to put some background music on it. You can also do it on YouTube. Search for suitable music here. To add to your story, just get your videos done. Uploading videos via YouTube, there's an upload. In the upper right corner, upload your video to YouTube. You can earn advertising revenue, but your channel needs 1,000 subscribers, and your channel needs to have 4,000 hours of playback time. You can earn advertising revenue through YouTube. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI, I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.